Well, good morning, party people. I am back in an airport. I tell you what, I've got more miles in the sky than I do on land this year. Like it's crazy, but I freaking love it. Today we are going to go to San Antonio, Texas. And yeah, we're going to celebrate my mom because she is graduating and getting her doctorate. Which is pretty monumental if you ask me. Couldn't be me. I couldn't do it. But I got that master's though. So yeah, we are about to do a full day of travel and see how it goes. Today's outfit of the day: black Adidas hat, red Adidas shirt, and I have on some joggers and tennis shoes because one of my flights is very, very close and I'm going to have to be a runner. And if you guys know me, like, I hate being the person sprinting to their next flight for failure to plan, but this is, you know, what I gotta do to get there. I probably should have been getting all of this, but I was supposed to be leaving to go to San Antonio at 6:30. It is currently at 9:08 p.m. and we are finally freaking boarding. I'll tell you guys the story whenever we get to San Antonio and I'm in an Uber to the hotel, because it's been wild and I have honestly forgotten to vlog it all, and you guys probably can't even hear me, so I'll see you guys later. So you know what, guys, the freaking journey continues. Yes, I am in a car because I have a wonderful aunt who loaned me her car because my freaking flight from Dallas to San Antonio got canceled. What? So it is currently 3:22 in the morning and I am still going, but I'm at Becky's. I had to get some gas. Since I'm here, and the store is open, I'm gonna run in and get a couple things. And yeah, this is not at all how I envisioned this trip going, but you know what? It's an adventure. I did not video a lot during the entire thing because it was a fiasco. It was very, very crazy, and yeah, it was just crazy. Whenever I get to the hotel, if I don't immediately crash, fall asleep, I will give you guys an update on like a play-by-play of how everything went. So gas just finished. Let's finish this and then head into the store. Man, Bucky's popular. He got his own hats and swimsuits and everything. All right, Bucky. All right, I'm headed back on the road. I was gonna get stuff, but there was a slight line, and I'm honestly I'm so over today and ready to be like settled down and rest for tomorrow that I'll just come back. There's one like closer to Dallas, so at the end of my trip I'll come back and get a couple things. I was gonna get some grapes and stuff for tomorrow morning, so I know I'm gonna want to sleep in. But let's get back on the road. It's 3:33, so it's time to get back on the road, and let's end out today. Good morning. Don't mind the mess. I am alive, awake, Only got 2 hours of sleep, but it is okay because we're gonna have a good day. Let's go. So last night was nothing shy of an adventure for sure. Flight delayed, canceled, had to scramble. Luckily I was in Dallas where I have family, and my aunt, shout out to you, A.k.a. you freaking rock. She came, she got me, dropped her back off at the house, and I have her car, so I drove 4 hours, actually it was 4.5 hours last night. Got here super late. There was an issue with the room, but you know, sun is out and we're here to celebrate my mom, and we're gonna have a good day. Walking across the street, a couple blocks to the convention center, and it feels so warm. Like, it feels like I'm in Hawaii, but I just know that it is going to be 15 times more warm later on today. Graduation starts at 10. It's currently 8:45. Reason why I'm going early is to get my ticket and then, you know, hang out. There's so many surprises in store for mom. It's exciting, and yeah. So let's rock today. Like I said before, mom's getting her doctorate, and obviously I had to be here for her hooding ceremony, so I see a lot of people walking around in their hoods. That's exciting. That's so awesome. Congrats, mom. My plan was not to get copyrighted. My plan was to go back to the hotel and take a nap, but I got a second wind, and now we're going down to the river. We're gonna go check it out, see what it has to offer. I know a lot of people do boat cruises and stuff down the river, but it is entirely too hot to do that. But we're gonna see if we can go find a snack. Don't want to eat anything too big because we have the reservations tonight. I don't need to go that way. I need to go this way. We have the reservations tonight at the Chart House, so that's where all my money's gonna go. Now, got a nap, changed into my outfit for tonight's dinner, which is just jeans. It's business casual, so just jeans and a nice cute shirt, some nice shoes, got some flats. And we are heading to the Tower of Americas because tonight we have reservations at the Chart House, which is the little spinning, rotating restaurant at the top of the Tower of Americas. So headed over there right now. Should be probably about 5 more minutes. It was only like a 10-minute walk from my hotel, so we are going to do that. It's currently 6 o'clock. p.m. Our reservation's at 6:45. Came a little bit earlier just so I could see like the area and see what's around, explore San Antonio a little bit. But yeah, let's go celebrate. Alright, now that the gang's all here, got Mr. T, Dr. Chance, and Dr. Bradley. About to head in for dinner. Yes, it was fabulous. Thank you. You're welcome. It was a wonderful dinner and a beautiful view and lovely company. So thank you, Morgan, for the experience. Edward, thank you for the dinner. Yes, so congratulations to Dr. Chance and Dr. Bradley. Alright, well you guys know the drill. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that big red subscribe button down below. If you also, whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. And I will see you on the next adventure. Congrats, Doctor!
A few moments later.
It's Bucky! Actually, Bucky. We got to see the real life Bucky.
My old high school mascot. I don't know if I want to ice here.
Alaska meets Bucky.
Yes, Alaska meets Bucky. We got a basket full of stuff.
They spent about $500.
Yes, yes. I need to find a bag to put it all in so I can take it on the plane. Yeah. You know you gotta take stuff out of your luggage if it's food now.
Oh, okay.
Ridiculous, but all right. 89 cents for that? Why is that?
Deja. You see what she did? Show the camera. Oh, calm strong, man.
99 cents for this giant cup. Giant. Bucky got his own pina colada soda, and it's really good.